I watched myself die. I wanted to be a choir director. Every hope, every dream that I had had was wrapped around that center idea that I could hear. And when that left, I had no idea how to live anymore. I lost my hearing when I was 18, and that's where listening to music stopped. I've never heard Taylor Swift sing, I've never heard Adele sing. I work really hard to feel things. I always have my shoes off when I perform because as the drums go or the bass goes, you feel it through the floor, and that keeps me in time. And I was born with near perfect pitch, so I use that skill mixed in with muscle memory to feel where I am and then just sing. Please leave a light on for me, I'm just down the road. I create songs all the time. I just have something in my head, so I just sing it in my recorder, and then I'll send it off to other people and they can chart it for me and they can tell me what the notes are, because I can't tell. I wouldn't be able to close my eyes and tell you what it was. It's just a ghost. Music is a ghost. Please leave a light on for me, I'm just down the road.
Well, there it is.
I had it that time.
I spent a really long time of my life being afraid. But sound still exists. You can feel music everywhere. You just focus. Come walk, my friend, with me to a place that we always dream. You will know how it feels to be